Hi everyone, today's tutorial is on how to make an easy spiral beads ornaments. We're gonna need some beading wire. In this case I'm using gold, as you can see here, and then we're gonna need some beads. I have here some red beads. You can use whatever bead you want, every size that you prefer. It all depends on the Christmas decorations on your Christmas tree. In this tutorial, I'll be using red, gold, and green beads. So you're gonna choose the length of your wire. It all depends how long you want it to hang on your Christmas tree. We just cut it. And then we're gonna make the little loop. This is pretty much how you make jewelry, bracelets, necklace, and things like that. So I already finished making the loop at the end of the spiral. The loop is going to help us to stop the beads from getting out of the wire, and also I use it to hang a dangling bead at the end of the spiral. On this tutorial, the spiral that I'll be making, I'm going to use red, gold, and green beads. Also, I use some gold bead caps that I'll be inserting at the end of each red and green bead. I finished inserting all the beads on the wire. As you can see here, this is pretty much how it's gonna end. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to make another loop at the beginning of the wire, because this is going to be used to hang the spiral bead ornament on your Christmas tree. Now I'm going to prepare the dangling bead that I'll be hanging at the end of the spiral. I have here a head pin, and then I'm going to insert a gold bead cap, a red bead, and then another gold bead cap. After you finish inserting the last bead cap, I'm gonna make a loop at the end of the head pin. That way I can hang it from the spiral. To hang the dangling bead, I'll be using a small jump ring. They come in different sizes, but in this case, I'll be using the smaller one. At the end, I decided to attach a bow to the top of the spiral. You can use any other embellishment if you want. Here are other spirals that I made using different colors of beads and different shape of beads. Remember, you can do this depending on the colors of your Christmas decorations. Hope you like this video. Remember to subscribe and give it a thumbs up. Have a Merry Christmas, everyone.